Have you ever heard of chili crisp? Then let me introduce you to Mexico's version, called Salsa Macha.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, so today we're using 3 different types of chilies. Here we have the ancho chili. The ancho chili has a smoky, fruity, almost raisin-like smell and texture. Then we have the chile árbol, which is one of the spicier chilies. It's small, but it packs a big punch. And then we have what they call chile morita, which is a dried chipotle pepper, which is the red variety of the jalapeno dried. And this has a really smoky flavor. And all these 3 chilies are really going to make our salsa macha outstanding. And all we want to do here is remove the stem, as well as the seeds. We don't want any seeds in the salsa macha, we just want the actual chili. And do this for all the chilies that you see here. Okay, so I have my chilies seeded. Let me show you the rest of the ingredients. We'll be using about 5 garlic cloves, half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Traditionally, you would use peanuts, but this is a nut-free house, so we like to use seeds, and I love pumpkin seeds. We also have about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, about 2 cups of very good olive oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also use cider vinegar. And just to balance out, I'm going to be using what is called piloncillo, which is a brown sugar cane. You can also use brown sugar. This is going to balance out the acidity of the vinegar and also the chilies so that it's very well balanced. First thing I'm going to add is my garlic, which I simply just sliced. And we're going to allow that to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until lightly browned. Okay, now that the garlic has been cooking for a couple minutes and you can see it's turning light brown, now I'm going to add my chilies, the ancho, morita, and chile árbol. I'm going to let that fry for another 2 minutes. Be very careful not to overcook the chilies because they can turn bitter. So 2 minutes is more than enough. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my seeds, my pumpkin seeds, as well as my sesame seeds. I'm going to let that fry for about a minute. Okay, now with the heat off, I'm going to add my piloncillo sugar, about a tablespoon, with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Allow this mixture to cool for 10 minutes and then put it in the bowl of the blender, and then we'll blend. Okay, here's the final result, the salsa macha. You can see that chopped up chilies and pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, that garlic. I want you to take a look at that oil, that chili infused oil. And when I tell you, not only is it fragrant, but I tasted it and it is delicious. Let's make something with it. Here we have the final product. We have the chicken skewers and the shrimp skewers. And we're just going to hit it with a little bit more of that salsa macha. About to tear this up.